Not so long ago, like everyone, I learned the songs from the radio. I'd strum along with my guitar to Bagatelle and Smokey. I never heard of this machine that they call karaoke. Now each weekend with my friends, we played the local bars. Like those boys from Sligo, we thought we would be stars. But then the landlord called us in, showed us this strange yokie. There was no need for a three-piece band, now he had karaoke. Now there's Elvis Presley wannabes, the short Shania Twains. The girls who sing I Will Survive won't see 18 again. They read the words from off the screen, though some can sing a note. I'd love to get that little git who invented karaoke. It's Friday night, I'd sit at home and think, what should I do? Jump on a plane to Japan, search for Mr. Fu. If I could get my hands on him, I'd give him hokey pokey for what he did to all my gigs with his karaoke. Now there's Kenny Rogers wannabes, and some of them are fine. The women all sing crazy, they think they're Patsy Cline. They read the words from off the screen, though some can sing a note. I'd love to get that little git who invented karaoke. And then I think it's just a phase that very soon will pass. Maybe like the Rubik's Cube, karaoke will not last. Me and my band can sing again, Okie from Muskogee. Maybe then I can forget this thing called karaoke. Now there's Dolly Parton wannabes and Tom Jones lookalikes. It's not unusual for 9 to 5 to be sung 10 times a night. They read the words from off the screen, though some can sing a note. I'd love to get that little git who invented karaoke. Oh, I hate that man from Japan and his karaoke.